Hi everyone, we're going to be reviewing the LADYCRAFT 44-piece toolkit with cordless screwdriver. Ooh, this is the first time I'm opening this. "44 pieces. Okay, some of this stuff came out. Let me just put it back in. Wow. You got drill bits here. You got all your little screwdrivers. I love these. I'm always using these, always. So you got a Phillips, you got a bigger Phillips, you got a smaller Phillips, and then you have bigger flathead, smaller flathead. You got a wrench. Oh, razor blade. Yeah, this is good. I actually have an electric stove. So whatever gets on there, like stuck, I always take a razor blade and it just comes off so easy. That's gonna work perfectly. For spackling, you got scissors here, an extra pair. This is cool. And then the price is great. Ooh. Now, into this side. We got our own measuring tape. And it's purple. So, hopefully my husband won't touch anything in here. Okay? Because his stuff is all over the place. And I'm sick of looking for it. That's probably why you ladies are getting this. Because you're sick of your hubbies throwing their tools everywhere, and then when you need something, nowhere to be found. It's thrown here, thrown in the garage, thrown everywhere. This hammer is so cute though. It's got some weight to it, but good for little jobs around the house. You got some wire cutters here. Let's see the drill. I don't know if this is charged or not. Oh, it is. Yay! It's gonna charge now. I'm gonna put it in to charge. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, I got all this stuff. Keep it together and hide it away. Have a good day, guys. Hope this helps you.
This came in the mail today, my lady toolbox. Let's see what's going on. I wasn't going to open it because I got to move, but I decided to just go ahead and give it a try. I'm kind of happy about this little toolbox, so I'm like, okay, why not? I feel like when you move, that's a very necessity that you need to just have. Okay. This is what it's given. And this is what's in it. It's cute. Like, I didn't even know that they had, like, feminine toolbox. It's for us the color. Yep, it came. Thank you, Emmy.
I read reviews on the hammer being, but so far this is what my hammer looks like fresh out the box. So no complaints on my end here. I like it. I'm excited. Yeah, this one.
You probably saw it right after work. Can you move the box? How am I supposed to see?